Welcome again everyone. In this video we will discuss 5 questions from December 19 exam. All 5 questions were from flow graph. Our first question is, these 5 questions were based on a single graph, a flow graph F with entry node 1 and exit node 11 is shown below. This is our flow graph. Our question is, how many regions are there in flow graph F? Now region is nothing but a combination of closed area and one open area. So our task is to find number of closed area. So closed area is like, first closed area is between nodes 6, 7, 8, 9. Second closed area is between nodes 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8 and 6, like this. We have marked it in the graph. Third closed area is from node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. This is also a closed area. So we have 3 closed area plus 1 open area. Every graph has 1 open area. So number of regions will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. There is one more method to find number of regions. We have already discussed this formula in discrete mathematics. Number of regions equals to number of edges minus number of vertices in the graph plus 2. Now pause the video, count number of edges, count number of vertices. You will see that number of edges is 11, number of vertices is 9 plus 2. 11 minus 9 will be 2 plus 2, 4. So number of regions will be 4. Next question is, for the same graph, how many predicate nodes are there and what are their names? Now first we need to know what is a predicate node. Predicate is a node that contains condition. It means at least 2 outgoing edges required to qualify as a predicate. Now let us say we are talking about a node, say A. If this node A has more than 1 outgoing edges, that means there is a condition at this point, and whether that condition satisfy or not determines the further path. So a node that contains condition is known as predicate node. We can locate predicate node by determining number of outgoing edges. So for this graph, nodes with more than 1 outgoing edges are node 1, it has 2 outgoing edges from 1 to node 2, 3, and second is from 1 to 11, right? Second predicate node is node with label 2, 3. Again it has 2 outgoing edges, one edge is to 6 and another edge to node 4, 5. Third predicate node is node 6. It has 2 outgoing edges, one is towards node 7 and another towards node 8. Pause the video, check how many nodes have more than 1 outgoing edges. There are only 3 nodes with more than 2 outgoing edges. So our number of predicate nodes is 3. Now our question is, what are their names? Their names is, first predicate node is with label 1, second predicate node is with label 2, 3, and third predicate node is with label 6. So if you see our options, option A is our correct answer. Next question based on same graph is, how many nodes are there in the longest independent path? Now in this graph we have 2 longest independent paths. What are these paths? First path is, starting from node 1, we are moving towards node 2, 3, then to node 6, then 7, 9, 10, then again towards node 1 and then towards node 11. Now if you count number of nodes that are present in this path, it will be 8. Now second longest path is from node 1 to 2, 3, then towards node 6, 8, then towards 9, 10, towards node 1, and last is our exit point, that is 11. Again we will have 8 nodes in this path. So our final answer is 8. Next question in this series is, this is very important question. What is the cyclomatic complexity of flow graph F? Now we have three formulas to compute cyclomatic complexity. First formula is number of regions corresponds to cyclomatic complexity. Now we have already computed number of regions, it is 4. So cyclomatic complexity is 4. We have computed number of regions using closed area and open area. Second method is using the formula E minus V plus 2. We have already done it. Again we will get 4 as our final answer. And third is using number of predicate nodes. Cyclomatic complexity equals to number of predicate nodes plus 1. In the previous question we have already calculated number of predicate nodes, it is 3 plus 1. You may use any one of these formula and you will get same answer, that is 4. So our correct option will be option C. Our last question is, how many nodes are there in flow graph F? We have already computed number of vertices or number of nodes as 9. So correct answer will be option A. So you see we had 5 questions from same topic, and if you have just basic understanding of this topic, you can easily score 10 marks. I hope you learned something from this video. If you liked our video, do subscribe.